I forgot to hit record, so I'm not actually recording great footage. I'm just being annoying. 从前面的影片的 comment 我那一些个问题，很多人问我怎么可以验车，那个电扇会不会有问题？上个礼拜我们验过了，所以一定没有问题。他们就care那个车子的高度，然后因为我们加横杆，然后我们验横杆的高度，这个就没有问题。第二个问题是人问我为什么我不用中文说话。Hey Beavis， 为什么我不用中文说话？
因为你的中文很烂。
And there you have it, folks. That's why I do my videos in English. This is so interesting. Today I set out to visit a series of low probability waterfalls. That means waterfalls that are unlikely to be there when I arrive. So the first two were failures, and so now I'm at the third spot, and it was a really nice fun road to get here. And for those of you that are just joining this channel, a nice road means that it's all broken and messed up, but that's what I enjoy. I may have caught a lucky break because there's actually water in this river, which, well, in the last two there wasn't. In theory, like supposedly, just a short walk up there is an awesome waterfall, or at least a waterfall. So let's check it out. I love hiking to theoretical waterfalls, and I say theoretical because I saw them on a satellite image, but who knows what it's really like when you get there. It's already starting to look cool though. It's pretty small now, but I bet in summer this place is really fun. This is the waterfall I saw in the satellite images. It's a bit hard to tell if it's a tall waterfall in the photo or if it's a long waterfall in the photo, because what I look for is this white water. So because here it kind of starts at the top and then slopes down like that, it has a much longer white part in the photograph. So it looked a bit bigger than it was. Or it's also possible that a few years ago it was bigger than it is now. This place was really nice. I enjoyed it a lot. However, it did not meet the requirements to be posted on my website. The waterfall was just not big enough. But I'll put the GPS coordinates in the description of this video, so if you want to go there yourself, just put those into your Maps app and it'll take you right to here. Well, now the weekend's over, back to the office.
Exotica.
The LED lights were too big for the whole song, so we had to get creative. Sometimes low-tech solutions are the best solutions.
Exotica.
We have have all the wood that we're going to use laid out here. This is the floor, and then behind it's the ceiling, and then the door panel, the rear door panel behind it. We are going to use some oil finish on the wood just to protect it, add some darker color to it, and protect it from water and rot and things like that. This kind of finishing oil was so hard to find in Taiwan. It's amazing. In America, it's so easy to find. Where I grew up, you can get this thing on any street corner, and we use it to protect our wood. It seems like in Taiwan, everyone puts varnish on wood, which I think is not a nice thing to do to wood. I much prefer this natural oil finish, which will just darken the wood and just make it look so nice. I'm not very happy about how much it costs. This is about 3 times more expensive than it should be, 1,500 NT for 1 can. I'm going to try to use it as sparingly as possible, but I'm afraid 1 is not going to be enough. We're going to need 2, and 3,000 NT just for oiling the wood is a bit excessive in my opinion, but it is what it is. Coat is on there, and it's so beautiful. I'm so happy with it. It looks really good. A big reminder to everybody, these rags are actually quite dangerous. When they dry out, it goes through an oxidation process which generates heat, and then these can spontaneously combust, which means they'll just catch fire if you let them sit like this. Bundled up. So it's very important to dispose of these properly, either hang them out to dry so there's lots of air circulation, or put them in closed containers or in water. But whatever you do, don't just leave them out. That's how a lot of fires happen. A lot of unfinished houses in America burn down that way, just from oily rags. So that's 1 coat down and 2 more to go. So we got the back panel installed as well. The lights are way too bright, but I'll show you just for a second. And we got the shower head right here, so I can take a shower. And we got our electrical panel installed as well. There's still some work that needs to be done there. We are fighting with the DVR system still. I think that's taken up an entire week's worth of work, is just messing with the software on the DVR unit. Hopefully we will fix it soon. At least it is recording videos right now, but the internet and the 4G is not working. Working on that. Now that we have the wood in, we can start building the interior components. So the next step is going to be mounting the kitchen on those runners, building a metal frame for a chair, and putting in the drawer system back here. A lot of these components have to be custom, and we need to get a metal shop to build some of them, so it's going to take some delay, but still, hopefully, it will be ready soon. I know I said this last week, but I still think that I'm another 2 to 3 weeks away before being finished, but we're getting there. This car is really starting to come together. If you like this project and you're interested in the show that I'm going to be hosting from here, please click like and subscribe below. Feel free to leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll hope to show you some really cool stuff in the next video as we're building it together. See you next time.